Now, ahead of the second phase of polling, there seems to be a sharp counter-attack coming in from Mamata Banerjee, which she seems to be now calling out to the people of Bengal to wipe out the BJP, hurling the tyrant's jibe and the enemies of the nation charge. And she says that remove the BJP and save this nation. That seems to be a slogan that has now been amplified by Mamata Banerjee and says that she will capture Delhi. This seems to be a claim that has now been coming in, saying that the BJP should not only be prevented from coming to power in Bengal, but should be ousted from Delhi.
আগামী দিনে সবাইকে ভোট দিতে হবে। এদের একেবারে রাজনৈতিক দুর্মুষ করতে হবে। দুর্যোধন আর দুঃশাসন, এরা দেশের দুশ্মন। মনে রাখবেন, এদের কেয়ার করা যাবে না, মানুষকে কেয়ার করতে হবে। পাবলিক চেয়ার ইজ আ পার্মানেন্ট, কনস্টিটিউশন ইজ আওয়ার অ্যাকচুয়াল আওয়ার পিলার। কনস্টিটিউশনকে ভেঙে দিয়েছো। বাবা সাহেব আম্বেদকরের কথা শুনো না, সব ইল্লিগাল কাজ করে যাচ্ছে, আর বিজেপি ভ্যানিশ ওয়াশিং মেশিন মুখে লোকপ্রাস্তান নিয়ে বসে আছে। শিখিয়ে দিয়েছে আমাকে যেন মিটিং করতে না দেয়। আর কি কি করবে ভাই? আর যারা বিজেপি বেশি দালালি করছে, সব কটার নাম লেখা আছে একেবারে A to Z, কার কোথায় বাড়ি। আমাদের লোকেদের খোঁজ নাও তো, তোমাদের যতজন যেখান থেকে এসছে বিজেপি পরিবার দেখে দেখে বেছে নিয়ে এসেছো, আর উকুন বাছার মতো অফিসারদের অ্যাপয়েন্ট করেছো। মনে রেখো, কোনো তোমাদের ক্ষমতা নেই আমাদের পরাস্ত করবার।
Well, Shivam, it seems that Mamata Banerjee has now set her eyes on Delhi, saying that her party will form the government again in Bengal, and then she'll eye to rout the BJP, not just from Bengal, from coming to power ever again, but from Delhi as well.
Well, exactly, Amita, and it seems like she's sending two messages. One, that to her voters in West Bengal, that yes, Delhi, the BJP needs to be removed, not just from the state, but also from the center as well. And the second message is maybe to the alliance in which she is in the center level, that she is portraying herself as the leader. She's saying that I will go there, I will make sure that things doesn't happen the way they are happening currently, and I will make sure that BJP doesn't remain in power and they are overthrown from the power, and the audience across the nation also votes against them. So again, while the state elections are going on, it clearly seems like Mamata Banerjee is also pushing her entire image and portray herself as the national leader standing against the Prime Minister and the senior leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So these are some hidden messages that goes along with the political narrative. At the same time, when Congress, the alliance of the, one of the alliance members at the national level, is openly criticizing Mamata Banerjee and saying that it is because of her misgovernance, things are easy for BJP. So well, on one hand, Congress is accepting that TMC has not done great, at the state level. TMC leader is portraying
but we'll talk about leader. As far as this split is now concerned, because there seems to be, when it comes to concerns that has been raised on part of multiple families there in areas which are sharing borders with Bangladesh, and in areas which seems to have a lot of minority vote back in something which Mamata Banerjee seems to strive for. But please to stay on with us, Shivam. We'll get you an understanding exactly what has changed ever since the SIR exercise was launched. So when we take a look as far as in Muslim-dominated areas as well, in Shamsherganj, there have been deletions that has been recorded around 74,000, and the turnout has been phenomenal, around 96.04%. Then if we take a look as far as deletions are also concerned, in Lal Gola, around 55,000, the turnout has been 96.45%. Now, such has been, as far as these areas are concerned, which are big vote bank generators for the TMC. Then we talk about in Bhavangola, where it seems to be deletions around 47,493. The turnout again has been exceptional, around 96.95. That is approximately 97% as well. Then in Raghunathganj, deletions around 46,100. Turnout again 96.9%. That is 97%. And that seems to be, when it comes to this very turnout, is something which can be compared to pre-SIR and now post-SIR, and the deletions and the voter turnout that has now been recorded. But when we talk about as far as the SIR, did it actually drive the voter surge? Because is it because of the conduct of the exercise that this high percentage of voter turnout is being recorded? Let's take a look, because when we speak of Darjeeling, in 2020, 2021, when we talk about as far as the difference in case is concerned, 76.5% to 88.4%. Now this increase that has been recorded, 1.82 lakh that has been the voter, when it comes to deletions are concerned in the exercise, that also talks about residents, who have moved away permanently are no more. And as far as why this revision was actually necessary. Jalpaiguri also talking about the same story, 86.1% the turnout as compared to 2026, 94%. Then in Cooch Behar, 84.8% to 95.1%, 1.72 lakh deletions. Then we are looking at Kalimpong, 71%, 92.9%. That seems to be the difference that is now being reported. So is it because of the SIR as far as this exercise is concerned? Because it was also challenged in the courts there, but the people were also given ample time and alternatives to actually correct the wrongs as far as the exercise is concerned. So is this a driving force when it comes to this bumper voter turnout that has been reported in the first phase of Bengal elections? Well, that remains to be seen, because similar voter turnout and a trend that was also witnessed in the Tamil Nadu elections. We're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.